Well, yeah, I mean.
Welcome to Hazardous Renovations.
I'm Mark.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Jen.
Today, we're showcasing the new
phase distorter.
pry bar.
And here we have the...
Sentient putty? The brochure says it adapts to any task.
It also seems to be...
Judging my life choices.
This next item is simply called the block.
It arrived without instructions. It doesn't appear...
Behold, the glimmer knot. It's pretty?
The promotional material suggests it's for non-Euclidean carpentry, but mostly we think it just, glimmers.
Actually, Jen, why don't we give one of our lucky audience members
A chance at this thrilling repair.
What a fantastic idea. Let's see.
Whoa, it's certainly an experience.
You're a natural. Fantastic.
Almost to the top. Don't look down.
Whoa-oh. Oh!
My everything. Somebody, please. I need Dr. Gamer. Get Dr. Gamer to help me now.
Yo, the wait is over, no need to cower. I'm Dr. Gamer and I'm here to rap crazy in a crazy way.